こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 91. We're going to learn how to use the verb なります. English translation of this verb なります is to become, or sometimes we can translate as to get. There's very important rule. Just before なります, it must be only adjectives or the nouns. Only these two things. And also adjective, not the adjective form. It must change to the adverbial form. In the case of な adjective, な形容詞, and 名詞, this is noun, we must use this に and なります. In the case of い adjective, い形容詞, the last い must change to く and くなります. This verb なります belongs to the group 1. It means with must なり this に must change. For example, 手 form なって and 他 form なった and dictionary form なる ない form ならない and also なります and なりません. Let's see the example of the noun になります. In English, it's already July. The difficulties is in the translations into English because you know なります is to become. So if the literary meaning is like already the July has become. But we usually don't say like that in English. It's already July, only this. So the translation is quite a little bit, you must think. This なります is to become, but the change of the state. Vocabulary, July, 7月. This word, July, is a noun. So we must use July になります。もう7月になりました。もう7月になりました。Now the example using い adjective. So instead of the last い we change to くなります。It will get hotter and hotter from now on. Vocabulary これから It means from now on. Oh, now, just now I'm gonna do it. これから from now on. Gradually だんだん Well, this だん it means step. Like one step, second step, third step. So だん and also だんだん it means step by step. Then this is the same meaning だん and again だん. So why we don't use this kanji twice だんだん? Well, this kanji, it means the repetition of the first kanji. So only this one doesn't have any meaning or any the same way of reading. It depends on the first kanji, and we repeat. In this case, だんだん, gradually, step by step. We use quite often this adverb だんだん with the verb なります because gradually it's getting something or it becomes step by step, little by little, gradually. So we use だんだん quite often with なります. Adjective hot, 暑い, 暑い. We've got two kanjis, different kanjis. This 暑い, you see here, there's 日, nichi, it means day. So this 暑い, it is about weather. It's hot today. It's about weather. 暑い with this kanji. But this one, this is 暑い, but also we can say 熱. 熱 it fever. 暑い. When we've got lots of fever, hot. And also with something when we touch something and 暑い. Oh, for example, the water, the coffee, these kind of things we can touch and 暑い. これからだんだん暑くなります。これからだんだん暑くなります。 Now we will see the example using na adjective, na 形容詞 and in this case, instead of na, になります。My son was ill, but now he feels better. Or he became healthy. 息子 son 病気 sickness or sick, ill 病気元気 this is healthy. This na adjective 元気 is healthy, but not only that, to feel good or to be well, this is also 元気 For example, お元気ですか？息子は病気でしたが、もう元気になりました。息子は病気でしたが、もう元気になりました。Let's practice some more. Look at this pencil. This is before and this is after. Now this is much shorter. This was long and short. So the pencil got shorter. 鉛筆 pencil 鉛筆長い long 短い short This is e adjective 短い short Then we must change the last e to く短くなります It will get shorter 鉛筆が短くなりました。鉛筆が短くなりました。Eraser got smaller. 消しゴム eraser. Or I think in British English you say rubber. 消し This 消し comes from the verb 消します to erase. Or sometimes we can say put off or turn off the light like this. But here to erase. So 消しゴム rubber or eraser 大きい big 小さい small and both are e adjective. So we must use instead of e くなります。小さくなります。消しゴムが小さくなりました。消しゴムが小さくなりました。This clothes was 9,000 yen, 9,000 円。But now it is on sale. It is only 5,000 yen, 5,000 円。So we're going to make a sentence. This clothes got cheaper because of the sale. 洋服 clothes. Literally, Occidental style clothes. 洋服 So casual normal clothes. And bargain sale. Bargain sale. It is sale. But we sometimes say only bargain or bargain sale altogether, or sometimes only sale. This is sale in English. 高い expensive, 安い cheap. Both are e adjective. So without this e, we must change to く。安くなります。It will be cheaper. バーゲンセールで洋服が安くなりました。バーゲンセールで洋服が安くなりました。The baby was 3,500 grams. 3,500 grams in March. But now 6,000 grams. 6,000 grams. So the sentence is going to be like this. The baby has got more weight. 赤ちゃん baby. Actually, 赤 it means red color. 赤. But 赤ちゃん it's like a little red. But it means baby. 赤ちゃん。体重 体重 This 体 it is also 体。体 it means body. 重 comes from the this adjective 重い the same 漢字 right 重い it means heavy heavy、体重 it means body weight both いい adjective 重い heavy 軽い light 赤ちゃんは体重が重くなりました。赤ちゃんは体重が重くなりました。The park was lively, but now it got quiet, or it became quiet. にぎやか lively. So maybe there are lots of people and many sounds, but you like it. You think, oh, it's so nice, so lively. にぎやか. This is not adjective. But うるさい the same there are many people and maybe there's lots of sounds. But when you say うるさい, you feel bad, you feel negative. So うるさい is noisy. So you don't like it. うるさい、うるさい。But にぎやか maybe there are lots of noise, but it's okay. I like it like a big party with lots of people. So にぎやか when you think this is the positive way. うるさい negative way. It's noisy. 静か静か This is not adjective. And meaning is quiet. So silent. And everything is in calm. 静か公園はにぎやかでしたが、今、静かになりました。公園はにぎやかでしたが、今、静かになりました。With this same drawing, we can make other sentence. The park was bright, but now it got dark. いい adjective, bright, clear, 明るい明るい with this kanji, this is he, like the sun, the day. And this one, the right part is tsuki, tsuki, the moon. So you imagine the sun and the moon all together and they are shining. They are so bright. Oh, so bright, 明るい. So you can image this, 明るい, bright, with lots of light, 明るい. And the opposite, 暗い dark. And many people get confused with 黒い 黒い it means black or 黒 black. But 黒 ro black ろ ら 暗い this is 暗い this is dark. 公園は明るかったですが、今暗くなりました。公園は明るかったですが、今暗くなりました。My son became more skillful at the piano. 息子、you already know this is son. Piano, piano, we write in katakana. Piano, piano. 上手 this is not 形容詞 not adjective. The meaning is skillful. Lots of skill, so you've got lots of skill and you do something very well. So skillful. 上手。息子はピアノが上手になりました。息子はピアノが上手になりました。Now a quiz time with 5 questions, all in translations into Japanese. 1番目 I'm getting gradually, step by step, better in Japanese. Or I became gradually more skillful in Japanese. 2番目漢字 is getting more and more difficult. Or 漢字 became gradually more difficult. 3番目 My grandpa got sick. Or my grandpa became sick. 4番目 It will get colder and colder gradually from now on. 5番目、最後です。As I cleaned my house this morning, it got clean or it became clean. Today we learned this verb なります to show the change of the state. Before it was like this, but now no. Or now it is like this, in the future it will not. So you know the translation is to become, but sometimes it sounds a little bit strange. So you must change the translations to become, to get, or some the different. But always the meaning is the change of the state. いかがでしたか？今日は状態の変化を表すことができるとても便利な動詞、なります。これを勉強しました。難しかったですか？大切なポイントは、い形容詞の場合は、そのいがくに変わります。そして、な形容詞と名詞の場合は、にをつけなければなりません。になります。このビデオが役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタン、それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介してください。そしてコメントもお待ちしています。コメントは全部読んでいます。チャンネル登録をなさってくださったら、私のビデオがちゃんと届きます。これからも私と一緒に日本語を勉強しましょう。じゃあ、またね。